Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will be exploring how to automatically raise a new request from within a workflow in Service Manager. This is useful for complex processes where certain actions need to be triggered automatically without manual intervention. We will start by looking at a common use case in the onboarding process for new employees. Suppose the HR team initiates this process by submitting a new starter request, which triggers the onboarding workflow. This workflow handles various tasks. One step in the process is determining if the new hire needs a laptop or tablet. If they do, the workflow should automatically raise a new request to order the device. We can configure this using a Hornbill automation node. First, we will set the application to Service Manager and choose Requests as the entity. Next, we will set the type to Log Request, which indicates that a new request will be logged. In the Tasks section, we will select the type of request that needs to be raised. Next, we need to configure the details of the new request. We will start by providing a summary for the new request. After that, we will choose the appropriate service and catalog item that this request will be raised against. To ensure consistency, we need to copy the necessary information from the original request. This might include its priority, category, customer name, and other relevant details. In some workflows, it's important to maintain a connection between the parent request, in this case the onboarding workflow, and any child requests. This ensures that all related tasks are linked. We will use a Hornbill automation node to update the new request with a reference to the parent request. We will configure this node by setting the type to Update Request and the task to External Reference. In the Options section, we need to manually enter the request ID of the new request, which can be selected using the variable picker. In the External Reference field, we will enter the request ID of the parent request. We will set this to manual and use the variable picker to select it. This action maps the new request back to the parent request. The new request will now contain an external reference to the parent request, making it easy to track all related activities. By following this video, you've learned how to configure a workflow in Service Manager to automatically raise a new request from a workflow. You've also seen how to link this request back to the parent workflow, ensuring that all related tasks are easily trackable and well documented. This approach helps streamline processes, reduces manual effort, and ensures that all necessary steps in the process are completed efficiently. Thank you for watching.